In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track a MoneyGram transfer. If you want to check the status of a transfer quickly, the good news is that you can usually do it right from the MoneyGram website without signing in. This is helpful when you simply want to confirm whether the funds are still processing, on the way, or already available. To begin, open your web browser and go to the MoneyGram homepage. Once the page loads, take a moment to look across the top area of the screen. You're looking for the option labeled Track a Transfer. This is the section designed specifically for checking the status of a transaction, so you do not need to create an account or log in just to use this feature. Click on Track a Transfer and you'll be taken to the tracking page. Here, you'll need to enter the transfer details exactly as requested. First, type in the 8-digit reference number. This number is important because it identifies the specific transfer you want to check. After that, enter your last name in the corresponding field. Make sure the information matches the transfer details accurately, since even a small typo could prevent the system from finding the transaction. Once both fields are filled in, click the button that says Track Your Money, or, depending on the version of the page you see, Submit. This will send your information to the tracking system and load the current transfer details. After the page updates, you'll be able to view the live progress and current status of your funds. This is where you can see whether the transfer is still being processed, has moved further along, or has reached its destination. The exact wording may vary slightly, but the key idea is that the page will show you the most up-to-date status available for that transfer. If the transfer doesn't appear right away, double-check the reference number and last name you entered to make sure everything is correct. It's also a good idea to enter the details carefully and avoid extra spaces or typing mistakes. And that's it. By going to the MoneyGram homepage, selecting Track a Transfer, entering the 8-digit reference number and last name, and submitting the form, you can quickly check the live status of your funds in just a few moments.